Hello and welcome to our Dolly Advent collaboration. I'll be opening a surprise gift each day in the lead up to Christmas from either Jay from J Dolls UK, Marna from Dolls Rescued, or Peacecraft Dolls with Tammy Powley. Please check out their channels today too, as they'll also be opening surprise gifts each day, and it could be something from me. Links are in the description. Hi there. Today is the 11th day in our Advent collab. So let's have a look at what surprise gift I'll be opening today. I have my bowl of goodies from the ladies. Let's see, go in here. Okay, we have got something from J Dolls UK today. See. Oh, oh, that is adorable, Jay. We have got a pair of little teddy bear earrings. Oh, they are so super sweet. How cute. They will definitely go very nicely with the hat and the jacket that I've already got from Jay. They're in the same dusky pink colour. They are so super cute. Gosh, they might even go with the cupcake fabric that I got from Tammy the other day as well. Very sweet, cute themed. Oh, I love them. Thank you so much, Jay. Oh, that's wonderful. Well, thank you, and thank you for watching. Please leave a like and a comment. Let me know what you thought of today's surprise gift, and be sure and check out the other channels in the collab too. Take care, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye bye.